Hi everybody, it's Mary Ellen from Create With Me, and I'm here in the Creativity Nest for another episode of Teach Me Tuesday. I have been going over some of the things that you could do with designer series paper. And the reason I've been doing that is because we have a designer series paper special going on for the month of July, and it goes through the beginning of August. And there is a special where you can get 15% off of 9 different designs. I wanted to um, share with you the different ways that you can use this designer series paper. I've been doing all kinds of different projects or oh, uh, cards using lots of designer series paper. Let's go ahead and get started with another project using designer series paper. So I'm going to take it down to my desk. So here I've got adhesive for this project. We could just get rid of the adhesives. We don't need any adhesive for this project, believe it or not. All you need is designer series paper. So I am going to use some of the paper out of the annual catalog. This is one of the papers that's on sale right here. Tidings of Christmas. It comes in a 6x6 pack already pre-cut into 6x6 squares, and that's what we're going to use today. And instead of being $11.50, it's on sale for $9.78, and you can snag that today in my store. So I'm going to bring in my grid paper, and I've got a piece of that Tidings of Christmas right here. And for this project, this is going to be a fun little fold, and we call it a diaper fold. So maybe you've heard of it. It's kind of a silly name, but I'm going to give you a little refresher on how it's done. So depending on which side you want to be out, that's the side that you're going to have facing down. So I want this to be the outside of my diaper packaging. And so I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to put the point up towards me. What you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half, point to point. And then you know me, I love to use my bone folder to get a good crisp crease on it. And I'm using my grid paper for a reason, for right here. So I like to make sure that I'm lined up. This center is a nice place, and then on the line. And then I'm going to take one of the corners and trying to keep it parallel. I'm going to come up here to this edge right here, and then I'm going to use my bone folder and give it a little crease. And then I'm going to take this one up, and I'm going to fold it, line it right up the same to that same edge. Very easy. Give it a little crease. And then I'm going to take this front and just fold it down towards myself and give it a crease here. And then this is where we can put lots of little goodies. I also like, this is a little tip, I like to put my fingers in there, and then I like to press down the bottom and make it so that it just gives it one more dimension. It's not flat. It kind of holds it open that way. Just gives it a little bit of a more, I think it makes me think of like a Chinese food container or something. So then you can put in anything you want. So if I had a Ghirardelli square, I would put it right in there and give that as a treat. I would decorate the front. I'm going to show you one I did with the peach paper. The peach paper is also one of the papers that's on sale right now. And I had some peach and passion fruit tea. And I have a little message here for my friend that says, love ya. And that's a little gift that I can give to her. So this is called the diaper fold. I can give you the directions. I can post them with the project if you want. And I just want to remind you that I have been doing a few projects using designer series paper. You can find them up on my YouTube channel, Create With Me, and you can subscribe to my channel and see the different projects that we've done. We've done this Starburst card, and I showed you this. We didn't do this one, but I found this today, even though this paper's retired. This is great for using up your designer series paper using one of our punches. So if you haven't seen those, go ahead and go up there to my channel, and you can see them there. If you need to get some of that designer series paper, you can visit my store at createwithme.stampinup.net. There is my host code. you can go ahead and snap a little picture of it, and you can do a little shopping and save you some money. So thank you for joining me today for the diaper fold, project right here. We did little packages. So thanks for joining me, and thank you for coming to create with me today.